South Africa. Professional sharpshooters are on the trail of a rampaging lion that's been attacking humans and has already killed a game ranger. They track him down to a patch of brush where the savage cat has been keeping an eerie watch over their movements. As they get into position, the lion issues a warning.
Wait. Just wait.
Lead hunter Bryan Gulley prepares to end the beast's reign of terror. The lion stares him down, unafraid. The gunman takes aim and hits his mark. But Gulley's shot doesn't kill the animal. Instead, it unleashes its rage. At 50 miles an hour, the beast charges Gulley through a volley of missed shots. But as the lion leaps for his throat, the hunter fires one more time. The wounded cat thrashes on the dirt. He's down, but not out. As the injured animal flees, another bullet knocks him over. Finally, Gulley delivers the kill shot. With his foe now vanquished, the brave hunter realizes how close he came to being the prey.
I waited till the last minute. I sprung out of the way. I'd get that last shot off.
Take him again.
Was that close enough?
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm glad you were still shooting.
I was told that this lion very likely would attack us, maybe without any provocation at all.
He was prepared for a fight, but had no idea how invincible his nemesis would be.
I shot him to the shoulder and it knocked him completely over. I'm thinking to myself at this point, that's it.
He's stunned when the lion stands back up.
This lion just had no fear. Literally looked around a little bit, looked at me, squinted, licked his lips once, and let out a roar, and here he came. I know that I can't afford to miss this shot. Whatever happens, I gotta shoot this shot into this lion's head. I saw the paw come and grab me. I remember thinking, one split second, he's got me.
But the hunter's shot is dead on, shattering the lion's skull. He has the killer cat stuffed and put in his home. A reminder of the day this king of the beasts almost handed him a death sentence.